Let's get started.
Cutting through this dense area with just the machete, I'm reminded of the determination my ancestors had in getting through all of this jungle to find whatever motivated them, biblical story that motivated them next, Shangri-La or the Fountain of Youth. Alright, so I was able to create a path here down this flat. Get these vines. And, so I cleared that pathway, which is right here. Now we've come across, cleared all this out. To about this ridge right here. I've got to get to this point. So my calculation says about 30 meters out. But this is going to be the edge of one lot. Here, this tree. Not this one, but the one right next to it, about 5 yards or 5 meters out. And then there's a ridge I'm cutting out and able to flatten this part of the land to where the concrete structures will sit somewhere in between. So there's a down tree, and if you can see right there, it's kind of an open. And the tree is actually in two parts. This is the tree stump sticking out of the ground up to here. And then the tree is cut and it goes this way, here. But there is a iguana tree right along the bottom of the tree. And it goes all the way around into here on the hill's edge. And the nest is inside. This here is an iguana nest that I've exposed. And the size of it is enormous. The size of the iguana is about 3 to 4 feet. But the nest is huge. And it continues all along the tree. I believe this is the beginning of goes all the way this way to that telephone pole. Now from the telephone pole I can show you the backside of this dense foliage. So this is the telephone pole here. And I'm going to go down to the flat. I've been able to clear the top side and the underbrush, and I've tried to maintain the property line here, which goes back to that tree. That goes back to a tree back here. We go either way now. Clearing this all out here in the center, and that'll be the way to be able to drive in. See, that's the tree that I'm using as a marker for the 80-meter mark. I'm not exactly sure, but I think that that's correct. Because there's another one on marking. So, when you go over this way, that's where you get the clearing. And again, right here, it seems like this marking right here is similar to this one here, and is the denotes the 80 foot. I believe that one goes to 70 foot. So that looks about correct. And I'm able to walk through here now. I've got an edge. It's about a 30-foot clearing, meter clearing. and that should be plenty of room. And I'll just keep on cleaning the underbrush and the tall grass until I make it look like this here. And if I have to, I'll get the chainsaw out. I guess it's a time again. A little bunch of water. Batteries are charged for the trimmer. And got a quick bike ride. Yeah, it's noisy. Got my big cup of coffee. Ready to plenty of water, electrolytes, a snack. And get to adjust. I can hear you. Take a couple of look. These stumps that you watch out for after cutting, especially this time of day. A little bit to get after it because you can trip over these pretty easy. It's just these couple right here, 3, 4, 5, 6, and I think I got my pathway. So that'll be the path through these, and then here's the top of the hill. Yeah.
Please like and subscribe. Por favor, dale me gusta y suscríbete.